Logitech G, we're committed to advancing play through a brilliant innovation of design and technology. One of the ways that we do that is by taking previous designs and advancing on them to bring new features that are requested by the community. The G513 takes the award-winning design of the G413 keyboard, which means it has a super sleek aluminum top case in both black carbon and silver. But now we've added RGB lighting, multiple mechanical gaming switch options, and a super high-quality memory foam palm rest. The included memory foam palm rest is sweat resistant and waterproof, which makes it super easy to clean. Our special memory foam quickly recovers from pressure, so every use is as comfortable as the first. The G513 also comes with additional replaceable faceted keycaps for the most popular gaming keys. One of the most requested features with our keyboards is multiple switch types. Today we're really excited to introduce a new type of Roamer G switch with our linear Roamer G. The original Roamer G switch has a tactile bump, whereas the new Roamer Linear is completely smooth from start to finish of the actuation. The G513 supports full per-key RGB lighting customization, and with the power of LightSync technology you can get amazing dynamic lighting experiences. Use Logitech gaming software to create and customize amazing effects or select from a list of presets. Lighting control is right at your fingertips. Using the built-in key commands, you can easily cycle through presets as well as control brightness. Right next to the lighting control keys are the media control keys, allowing easy access to your content. The G513 is a very high-performance keyboard from Logitech G, with a beautiful design, advanced technologies, and serious gaming features.